Right now, everyone's going crazy over the Japanese cheesecake. So I wanted to make my Middle Eastern version of the Japanese cheesecake. Get ready because it's gonna be the best you've ever tried. And of course, gluten-free. So we're going to start with a high protein yogurt. I chose Oikos, but you can choose any high protein yogurt you want. And of course, halva, the secret ingredient. This is where the magic happens. We're gonna put our halva inside the yogurt, about half, and put it inside the yogurt. And we're gonna stir it up. And once that's been done, once all of our halva is inside the yogurt, we're also going to add the thing that makes this a cheesecake, which is the crackers. So I'm going to use gluten-free crackers. Wanted to use something a bit more neutral, so I went with like the graham cracker version of Char. So these are honey grams. So once you have your crackers, we're just gonna take them. We're gonna put them inside. Because these are, traditionally, this is made with like long speculoos. So we're just gonna push our crackers all the way to the bottom. That means we're really just putting it in. We put our last bit of halva on top. I love halva. Then we're gonna take our lid and we're gonna close it. We're gonna put this in our fridge for a minimum of 8 hours. If you want more texture, if you want your cheesecake to not be super soft, but you want a bit more texture from the crumbs, you can go with 4. So we're gonna take this into the fridge and we're gonna taste it the next day. Yay! Oh my God, it becomes so soft. The yogurt really softens the cookies. It's not too sweet because the yogurt is not sweetened at all, but the halva is sweet, so it creates this perfect balance. It's nutty. I gotta tell you guys, this trend has got something in it. Gluten-free Japanese cheesecake with halva. I'm into it.